best deals at Walgreens this week. I'm going to show you how you can get a few transactions done for good prices this week at Walgreens, plus a freebie moneymaker item. So let's get into it. Don't forget to like and follow so you can continue to receive notifications of when I post the videos, and share so that more people can enjoy the savings just like you and I. And let's jump right in. The first thing we're going to pick up are some trash bags. We have these 30 counts each. They are 3 packs for $4.99, which is the best deal at Walgreens that you can get. And I love the fact that these have a lavender scent. Sometimes it's hard to find the lavender ones, but I was able to grab some. So again, 3 for $4.99 is the lowest price at Walgreens that I have seen. This week, you're going to be able to pick up these 2 packs of papers. We have the toilet and the paper towels, and they're going to be 2 for $10. So you're going to get them for basically $5 each. This is the 6 equals 24. It could be the strong, or it could be the one that has blue, the soft one. And you can pick up this 4 equals 8 Bounty paper towels, and they're going to be, again, 2 for $10, which is a good deal. Normally, they're a little bit higher, and you have to buy a bunch of items to get them at that price. So not bad. You can use registered rewards, or you can use some of your points if you want to do this deal with the other one. You can use also the picture perks that we have been getting printed out. So you can do it however you want, but the sales are not bad. So check them out. Next item. This is one of the best deals of the week, if not the best deal of the week. So you're going to be able to pick up the Garnier products, but the whole blends in this case, and I'm going to tell you why. Pick up 2 of these, 2 for $8. That's the sale this week. But there is a $3 digital coupon that comes off. You're left to pay $5 out of pocket if you're doing this by itself. $5 out of pocket, but you're going to get back $3 in a register reward, making them both $2 or $1 each. However, if you have the application Ibotta, you can upload your receipt and you're going to get back some cash back of $3. So if you don't have Ibotta, I'm going to give you my referral code so that you can join. It's for free. You make an account for free. And then when you upload your first receipt, let's say you do this deal and you upload the receipt, you're going to get back not only $3, here it is. Not only you're going to get back the $3 for the 2 of them, you have to buy 2, of course. Not only you're going to get back $3, but you're also going to get back a welcome bonus, as well as I would. So consider that if you're going to get it and you don't have Ibotta anymore. And here's a referral code. So this is one of the best deals because at the end, remember you were at $2 for both of them. But if you get that Ibotta cash back, that's going to be $3. It's going to bring it down to pay nothing and make $1 on these items. Let's go on to the next one. Gillette deodorants are on sale. They are buy one, get one 50% off. Check your store. Some stores have them as low as $8.79. The first one, the second one half off, or you're going to find them at $9.49 at the highest I've seen. So again, buy one, get one 50% off. Plus there is a $5 digital coupon if you have yours from last week, or check if you have yours for this week. So again, $5 for on 3 of them. $5 off as a digital coupon, and you're going to get back $4 in a register reward. Now, for this transaction, consider getting one of those picture perks that we have been getting and using them on this transaction so that you can get even more back. So I used one of these. In this case, this is not from the pictures. This is an extra one that got generated. I have to spend 20 and get 5. But the one that was used for this transaction was a spend 15 and get 5. So again, buy one, get one 50% off, $5 digital coupons, $4 in a register reward, and you could potentially get $5 extra if you use one of these. If you have any questions on the pictures, let me know in the comments. I'm going to post a video for you letting you know the code and everything that you can use for this week. So again, this is a great deal that you can do at Walgreens. All these deals you can pay with registered rewards or Walgreens cash if you are not using one of these boosters in that deal. If you are, then you're able to use registered rewards, but not the points, so that you don't forfeit getting that perk or booster back. So I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and follow and share so that more people can enjoy the savings. Until the next one, and don't forget to smile.